it going? My name is Timba, and in this video, we're combining 3 dance moves called Mambo, Cubano, y Patada into one fun little routine. Without further ado, que comience la fiesta! Alright, hit the straight into it. Let's start off with Somotuno. Here we go. 5, 6, Somotuno. Y 1, 2, 3, 5. One more time. Here we go. 1, 2, Mambo, a lo cubano y patada. Nice and slow. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, cubano. Y 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, patada. And hop and back and forward, back. Kick together. 1, 2, 3. One more time. Here we go. Get ready. 1, 2, 3, Mambo, Cubano y Patada. And we go 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3 together. 5, 6, 7 together. Hop, bring it back and forward and back. Kick together. 1, 2, 3. Allí nada más. Hey, if you're getting value out of this video, go ahead and smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm if you haven't done so already. This helps me and the channel tremendously so we can reach out to others and share the love of the dance. Muchas gracias, and back to the video. Alright guys, so the main thing for this fun combination is the transitions. I can't stress it enough, guys. So let's work on the transition from Mambo into a lo cubano. Nice and slow. 5, 6, Mambo. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Put that weight on that right foot. So the next transition for a lo cubano is much easier with the left leg. On that 1, 2, kick together. All right? Let's try that one more time. So let's go to the second half of Mambo. So we're going to go 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4. All right? So now let's work on the transition from a lo cubano into patada. So starting with the second half of cubano, we're going to go 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. One more time. Here we go. 5. So 1, 2, 3. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. All right. So as long as you work on those transitions, the whole move itself, the little combination, will look as smooth as butter. All right. So let's try this in halftime with music, and then we'll do it at full speed. All right. Here we go. 5, 6, 7. So motuno. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. One more time. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Oye, Mambo, Cubano y Patada. And 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. Double time. 1. Let's do one more basic. One more. Last one. Last one. Here we go. 5, 6 combination. And 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And on 1, 3, 5, 6, 7. Hey, 1. Do one last time. Here we go. Get ready. Combinación. And 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1. Y allí nada más. Alright everybody, this will conclude the lesson for today. Thank you so much for joining me. I truly appreciate it. Make sure to subscribe for more educational, entertaining videos, and check out this cool playlist of all the previous moves that we learned. Muchas gracias. My name is Timba Heat. This is Timba Heat Dance Company. Keep dancing, my friends. Y hasta la próxima.